Hello, my name is Ravneet Kaur. I read in class 7D. My roll number is 22. My teacher name is Mr. Jitendra Sharma. Today's our topic is silkworms. Content, serial number, topic and slide number. Serial number is 1. Introduction, slide 1. Serial number 2. Content, slide number 2. 3. Define sericulture. 3. 4. Different species of silkworm. Slide number 4. Serial number 5. Widely used species in silkworm. Slide number 5. And many more. Define sericulture. Silk is a strong but light and soft cloth having similar appearance. The silk fibers are also animals' fibers obtained from the cocoons of silk moth. The rearing of silk moths for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Different species of silkworm. The different species of silkworm are mulberry, tassar, munga. Silk is the strongest of all natural fibers. Widely used species in silkworm. The widely used species in silkworm are silkworm and Bombyx mori. The best quality of silk is obtained from the cocoons of silk moth Bombyx mori. Its caterpillar feed on the leaves of mulberry tree. This variety of silk moth is cultivated in China and mountainous regions of northern India. History of obtaining silk from silkworm. Silk was first developed in China, according to legend. In about 3000 BCE, the bride of Chinese Emperor Hunung, the named Xi Chung Shiha, developed the first silk reel. It was kept a closely guarded secret for hundreds of years. Knowledge of making silk reached India only in 300 CE by traders and travelers. Process of obtaining silk from silkworm. Extracting raw silk starts by cultivating the silkworm on mulberry leaves. Once the worms start pupating in their cocoons, these are dissolved in boiling water in order for individual long fibers to be extracted and feed into the spinning reel. Uses of silkworm. The cloth from silk can be made into rugs, bedding, or can be used to write on or paint on. In the past, silk was used to make parachutes. The practice of growing silkworms for silk production is called sericulture. Most spiders make a natural fiber of their own. That is also called silk. Silk is used to make silk comforter and bicycle tires, etc. Knowledge about silk. Silk is the strongest of all natural fibers. It is even stronger than the steel fiber of same thickness. China is the leading silk producer country in the world. Other major silk producing countries are Japan, India, and Italy. Acknowledgement. I thank our principal and my class entire for giving me the opportunity to make a PowerPoint presentation on silkworm. My parents and my small brother has supported me in this project, and my uncle helped me in this project, and I gained much knowledge about silkworms while making this project. Thank you.